Hello everyone, we are doing the third question from the chapter of surface areas and volumes for class 10, exercise 13.3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meters is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meters by 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. Again, a similar question wherein one solid is being changed into another. This time, what are we having? The earth that is dug out from the well, that is being spread on the platform. That means a cylinder is being converted into a cuboid. And we need to find out the height of the cuboidal platform. Let us see how do we do that. Now, if you've all seen a well, it is a cylindrical depression made and the water is inside it. Now, when you are digging the well, whatever earth is being dug out, that means whatever depression you are making, that earth will be equal to the volume of the depression made. That means that will be equal to the volume of the well. This is being just taken out and spread on a cuboidal platform. Now this is a cuboidal platform. I have the dimensions given to me. For the well, I have the diameter as 7 meters and the height as 20 meters. And for this cuboidal platform, I have the height as 22 meters, the breadth as 14 meters, and height I assume to be as h, which I need to find out. So let us write all that, whatever we have. The depth of the cylindrical well h I take to be as 20 meters. The radius of the cylindrical well r I take it to be as 7 upon 2 meters. The diameter being given as 7 meters, the radius comes out to be half of that, that is 7 upon 2 meters. Length of the cuboidal platform L is equal to 22 meters given to us. The breadth of the cuboidal platform is equal to 14 meters given to us. I assume the height to be as h. So I have the volume of the soil dug out from the well will be equal to volume of the soil used to make the platform, one solid being converted into another. Now, what is the volume of the soil dug out from the well? Will it not be equal to the volume of the well? And the volume of the soil used to make the platform will be equal to the volume of the platform. So I have that pi r square h, the volume of cylindrical well, will be equal to volume of the cuboidal platform, that is its length into breadth into its height. So I have pi into r square h will be equal to L into B into h. Pi is how much? Because nothing is stated, so I'll take pi to be as 22 upon 7. R square is how much? It is equal to 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into height, which is equal to 20. The depth of the well, it is equal to length, which is 22, breadth, which is 14, and height. So h comes out to be pi r square h upon L into B. Now I'll just put the values as I had told you. So h comes out to be 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 20 upon 20 into 14. The 7 and 7 cancels. This cancels, 2 cancels by 22. So I am left with what? I am left with 5 upon 2 meters as the answer. So I can say that the height of the platform is equal to 5 upon 2 meters, which is equal to 2.5 meters. So I hope you have understood the solution for this question. Thank you so much.